a shocking incident in Bengaluru, the Nagar police arrested a non-resident Indian residing in the United States for allegedly possessing ammunition illegally after he reportedly left behind a handgun magazine loaded with 7 live cartridges in a room at Jayamahal Palace Hotel. According to police, the accused checked into the hotel on April 27th and checked out the next morning. Soon after leaving, he reportedly informed the hotel management that he had accidentally left the ammunition magazine in the room. Hotel staff later recovered the magazine containing 7 live bullets. Police said the hotel management repeatedly contacted the individual and asked him to collect the ammunition, but he allegedly failed to return. Suspecting illegal activity, the hotel manager filed a complaint, following which the Nagar police registered a case under the Arms Act. During the investigation, the accused was identified as 34-year-old Arman Mutaahar. Police said he failed to produce valid documents for possessing the ammunition. During questioning, he allegedly claimed that he had accidentally packed the magazine in his luggage and admitted to owning a handgun in the United States. Police said Arman is originally from Bengaluru but later moved to America and obtained citizenship there. Officials are now investigating how the ammunition passed through airport security. The accused was arrested and produced before a local court on May 7th, which granted 10 days of police custody. He was later remanded to judicial custody on May 14th. Police have also seized his passport, mobile phone, laptop and other travel documents as part of the ongoing investigation. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.